Paraprotopteryx. Paraprotopteryx is a genus of enantiornithean birds from the Mesozoic of China. In 2007, the type species Paraprotopeteryx gracilis was named and described by Zheng Xiaoting, Zhang Zihui, and Lianhai. The generic name means near Protopteryx, in reference to a presumed similarity with that genus. The specific name is intended to mean pretty. The holotype is specimen STM V001. It consists of a skeleton with skull on a plate and counterplate. The investigation preceding the description of the species proved that fossil traders had added the skull of a different individual to the torso. The description is based on the rump parts. Feathers have been preserved. The rump represents a subadult individual. Though initially reported to be from the Early Cretaceous Yixian Formation, later investigations showed that the fossil actually came from the Qiaotou Member of the Huajiying Formation of Fengning, Hebei Province, China, and is therefore of uncertain age. While much of the Huajiying Formation underlies the Yixian Formation, Zhang and colleagues suggested in 2008 that the Qiaotou Member correlates with the Dawangzhangzi beds of the Yixian Formation, dated to approximately 122 million years ago by Zhou Zhonghe in 2006. Distinguishing characteristics. The original description suggested a number of distinguishing traits. Paraprotopteryx would have had a furcular wishbone which is shaped like a Y with a narrow angle between the clavicles. It also was described as having an unusually shaped breastbone, distinguishing it from other birds in the enantiornithians. The carpocacarpus is only partially fused. Paraprotopteryx has 4 10 cm long rectrices flight feathers on the tail, more than doubling the total body length, which may represent an important step in feather evolution. They have a very elongated ribbon-like shaft, and only the tips are barbed and expanded. In Paraprotopteryx, they may have served as a secondary sex characteristic. This was the first time a tail fan was reported for enantiornids. Later such a double pair was reported for Shanwei. However, although the presence of 2 ribbon-like rectrices is certain as in the related enantiornithian bird Protopteryx, the describers of Shanwei in 2012 voiced a suspicion that the second pair of rectrices in Paraprotopt